Hello students, today we are going to study the concept of mole of a substance. What is mole of a substance? Mole of a substance is nothing but the molecular mass in grams. Let's take example. The first one. Now when we take water, the molecular mass of water is 18. So 1 mole of water is equal to 18. The molecular mass of nitrogen is 28. So we can say 1 mole of nitrogen is 28. We are going to do sums based on this a little later. Now let's see what do you understand by Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number is a constant whose value is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. As we all know, when we say the word dozen, the value which comes in front of us is 12. When I say I have 1 dozen pencils, which means I have 12 pencils. If I say I have 1 dozen chalk, which means I have 12 chalks. So when the term dozen comes, whatever the item is, but the quantity is 12. Same way, Avogadro's number, the quantity is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 for any substance. So 1 mole of a substance is equal to the molecular mass is equal to Avogadro's number. Now let's see sums based on it. The first one. How many moles are present in 120 grams of NaOH? First let's find out the molecular mass of NaOH. Sodium is 23, oxygen is 16 and hydrogen is 1. So the molecular mass of sodium hydroxide is 40. Now the formula says number of moles is equal to mass of substance in grams upon the molecular mass. Mass of substance is 120 given. So it is 120 upon 40, that is 3 moles. Let us continue with the second one. If 0.5 moles of magnesium chloride is required, how many grams of magnesium chloride is required? For this, first we need to find out the molecular mass of magnesium chloride. So magnesium is 24, chlorine is 35.5, 2 times, that comes to 95. We are using the same formula. Number of moles is mass of substance upon molecular mass. So mass of substance is equal to molecular mass into the number of moles, that is 95 into 0.5, that is 47.5 grams. Now let's see sums based on Avogadro's number. How many molecules are there in 36 grams of water? First we find out the molecular mass of water. Molecular mass of water is 18. We have seen the molecular mass of any substance is equal to Avogadro's number. So when 18 grams is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23, if the molecular mass is 36, how much is the Avogadro's number? Cross multiply. So number of molecules is equal to 36 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 upon 18. 18 ones are 18 twos are 36. So it is 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Let's see one more sum. How many molecules are there in 49 grams of sulfuric acid? First find out the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. It has 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 of sulfur and 4 of oxygen. So the molecular mass is 98. Again we are going to use the same formula. Molecular mass is nothing but Avogadro's number. So when molecular mass is 98, Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So if the molecular mass is 49, the Avogadro's number will be 49 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 upon 98. 49 ones are, 49 twos are is 98. So it is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 divided by 2. That comes to 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Hope you have understood these sums. Copy these sums in your notes. Thank you.